we got another package. Alright, let's go check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back everybody to another unboxing video. Today we got something small from MajorSurplus.com. Feel free to check them out. They got a large variety of items on their website, and just a couple of items I think in this box. Is actually pretty flat. I haven't actually removed any manifest or sliced any of the tape, so let's actually use this prior acquired Swiss pointy stick from MajorSurplus.com by coincidence. It has some use on the sheath here. This looks like to be a model 1957, and looking at the markings on it, and the number is a 3 series V marked, so Victorinox. Pretty nice profile on that. And it also came with a frog. This is that cloth reinforced plastic, I believe, a M1990 model. And trying to see if there's any markings. Fassler sewer. Let's go ahead and slice this carefully. Moving the cloth here a little bit. Not exactly a slicing type of item. Okay, so we got that there. Go ahead and see what we got here. And manifest. Their flyer. It's still the January 2021 flyer, except right now it's a couple months later than that. But this is a multi-page flyer. Just a taste of what they actually have on their store site. The prices go up and down depending on what they have on sale. So put that there. And let's see what we got here. Their stuff comes in the bag. This one actually came stapled. Doesn't happen all the time. Put these out so I don't jab myself. So I want to discard these. Okay. I think it's just a 2. And right off we have well, what do you know? We got ourselves another one. A Swiss M1957 bayonet with scabbard. And looks to be in about the same condition as the one we just opened the box with. Similar frog, Fassler sewer. So typically these are aluminum pieces on the cloth reinforced plastic, and then this wraps through here and around, and then you can fold it over and lock it down. So I actually like to have that on this one, so I'll demonstrate real quick. See how that goes through right there. Very gently pull it through. It's pretty strong so it won't tear. And you can see how that larger hole right there and the slice in the material folds it down. That helps retain it when you're pulling this in and out. Notice it's asymmetrical, so is the pointy stick. And here it goes. So that was the one I had previously. I'll point it away from you. And this is the one we just got right here. So plastic marks. Go ahead and open. Ah, interesting. This one is a W marked, so it's a Wenger, I believe. This one starts with a 5, so it's a pretty high number. And checking the blades. I think it might be no, they're about the same. But the grind on the back, you can see there's a big swirl right there. I don't know if that can be polished out or if that's actually in the metal itself. Almost the same profiles. There's a little bit of damage to the tip there, but it is surplus, so that's what you get. Looks like this imprint is a lot deeper than this one. That's a very strong mark right there. Isn't that nice? Yeesh. Okay. So again, Swiss M1957 bayonet with a frog, the one right here. So we can actually put this in, having a little bit of that's a big anvil boost right. Okay. Going that way, pull it through, thread it over. Okay, that, and then you can sheath it. Okay. Likewise with this one. Pretty cool. Now I got it set. Okay, and the other item in this package we'll go over real quick is a Romanian shoulder bag. This one's almost like a bread bag, kind of. Just found an easy dump pouch with a strap. I could always modify it for a waist pouch. But I've actually had other items with very similar buckles in the past. There are some stampings. Can't quite read that. Oh, look at that. I guess we can. Neat, huh? Must be the year right there. 1940 something, possibly. Oh, look at that. Neat, huh? That's a MajorSurplus. Okay, this will be our middle buckle right here. Let's see the type of reinforcement on there for the ends, keep them secured on. All of them have that. Look at the straps. Might be replacement straps. This looks like different material, unless that's the way it's designed. What's cool, it actually has all the pieces. And here's the shoulder strap. Look on the inside. Looks to be 2 compartments. There's a smaller one here. That'll be good for a water bottle, and this will be good for the dump pouch part for whatever use or your lunch, or an extra set of clothes or whatever you need. So again, this is from MajorSurplus. Let's see, we had the M1957 bayonet. It was this one, I believe. And Romanian shoulder bag. So this has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other videos in the Play series. And we also do show and tell videos on specific items, as well as curios for the curious, more artsy objects. And feel free to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you next time.